Hi everyone. I did this quick Indian look for a lunch where the makeup is, of course, not heavy, but I wanted to look glamorous. Before the makeup, I've obviously done my skin routine, which is my moisturizer and my sunscreen, and I'm going right in with my serum. I want my face really, really moisturized because it's a summer lunch where I have to dress up, but I don't want to use liquid foundation. So the moisturization is super important. Always use a lip balm before makeup, but before I do my lip makeup, I dab it off. At this stage, I'm going to add my concealer because while my face is moisturized, it will blend well, and I'm not using liquid foundation, so I'm going to touch up the foundation, which is a powder based one, later. If you have been following my channel or my page for a while, you'll see that my aim is to uncomplicate makeup. Makeup can look as glamorous without layering as much. One just needs to be aware of how much. Anyway, I'm going to just mattify the top of my eyes and set my eyebrows with a gel. Now take a brown eyeshadow. This one is by Miss Claire, which is very nice, and a flat, fluffy eyeshadow brush, any brush, and start shading from the sides till your crease line. Make sure your brush stroke is from outside to inside. That way it'll shade well and don't come all the way inside. Now whatever product is left on your brush, just bring it down till your lower outer lash line. Now take a shimmery eyeshadow of your choice and just take it on your finger and dab it on the center part of your eyelid. This will also make your eyes look bigger. Make sure you blend it in well. I'm going to just fill out my waterline with a brown kohl. I'm not using my black one because I'm going to use red lipstick and I don't want my eyes to look that dark. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. Line and fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. Then use a darker lip liner or something that will go with your lipstick. I love this red lipstick by Colorbar, but use any red matte lipstick of your choice. Because it's a look for lunch, I'm not going to contour. Obviously, it's going to look too much. But I'm going to use my blush in this angle which I am using. And this itself will give my face a lift and the face won't look flat. When it's a powder foundation, I can use it at the end the way I'm doing it. This way you don't layer much, keep your skin healthy, and apply the foundation wherever required. I'm going to end my look with a bit of a highlighter. You can also skip it if you want. I do repeat a lot of my products because I think it's the normal thing to do. As in, there's so much choice out there. See what works for you and keep using it till you find something better.